This edition of the M&A Predictor reveals that corporate appetite to invest has continued at the record levels reported in the previous edition. The increase in appetite of 16% is matched by an anticipated increase in capacity of 13% over the next year, demonstrating that corporates are continuing to pay down debt and have an increasing amount of cash with which to fund deals. This strength in the global M&A market is further demonstrated as deal announcements have risen considerably, with the value of worldwide announced deals skyrocketing 26% in the last 6 months. Surprisingly, the significant increase in announced transactions has yet to translate into a similar uptick in completions. However, given some of the domestic protectionist talk that we've been hearing, it will be an interesting test over the coming months to see the extent to which these announced deals do end up being consummated. While overall the predictor reveals significant increases globally in both appetite and capacity, there have been some variations regionally. In Europe, confidence among the largest European corporate appears to be particularly resilient, with an increase in forecast appetite of 24% and a 12% increase in anticipated capacity. Africa and the Middle East, known to be high-growth markets, continue to demonstrate strength with a very healthy 20% increase in appetite and an anticipated increase in capacity of 24%. Asia-Pacific recorded no change in appetite but demonstrated strength with a predicted increase in capacity of 21%. North America recorded a decrease in appetite of 2% in the last 6 months, but remains a healthy 15% higher than 12 months ago. This is matched by an anticipated increase in capacity of 14%. Latin America shows little expected increase in appetite over the last year, and only shows a 4% increase in capacity. In particular, India was one of the strongest performers globally, with an increased appetite for M&A deals of 21%. The capacity of Indian companies to conduct M&A also outperformed the market with a 38% improvement. Additionally, the impact of exchange rates on M&A activity in each of these regions must be considered. While the impact of these fluctuations has been neutralized due to the global nature of the M&A predictor, one must consider its impact locally. Sector confidence remains high, and corporate appetite is apparent across most industries. The strongest expectations were for telecoms, utilities, and energy, with all three reporting increased appetite in the last 6 months and 12-month increases of between 17% and 25%. The only sectors not to record double-digit increases in appetite over 12 months were consumer discretionary at 6% and consumer staple at 8%. If you would like to see more detail about any particular region or sector, please visit our website, where the interactive tool will help you to focus in on the area in which you are interested.